You hit submit on job application. 2 seconds later, there is an email in your inbox. How? Your first instinct might be the job portal keeps checking every few seconds. Did they apply? Did they apply? That's called polling. It works, it's also exhausting. Imagine texting someone every 10 seconds. Did you reply yet? Webhooks flip this. Instead of portal asking your email server repeatedly, it says, hey, when someone applies, you just knock me. The moment you hit submit, the portal fires one HTTP request to the email server. Your server catches it, formats the email, sends it. No waiting, no wasted checks. That's webhook. An event fires, a URL get hits, something happens. You feel it every time whenever you apply for a job, buy something online, or get a payment confirmation. The web is mostly webhooks now. You just never saw the mechanic.